5 common myths about breastfeeding. Number 1. Formula is just as good as breast milk. While infant formula can provide necessary nutrients, breast milk is uniquely tailored to a baby's needs. It contains antibodies, enzymes, and growth factors that formula cannot replicate, offering protection against infections and various health benefits. Number 2. Small breasts produce less milk. Breast size doesn't determine milk production. Mammary glands responsible for milk production are present regardless of breast size. Milk production is influenced by hormone levels, frequency of feeding, and proper latch. Number 3. Breastfeeding is always easy and natural. While breastfeeding is a natural process, it doesn't always come easily. Many mothers face challenges like sore nipples, engorgement, or latching issues. It often takes time, practice, and sometimes professional help to establish a successful breastfeeding routine. Number 4. Breastfeeding prevents pregnancy. Breastfeeding can suppress ovulation and delay the return of menstrual periods, but it's not a foolproof method of contraception. It's possible to become pregnant while breastfeeding, especially as the baby gets older and starts eating solids. Number 5. You can't breastfeed if you have small amounts of milk. Some mothers worry that they're not producing enough milk because they don't experience engorgement. However, engorgement isn't always an indicator of milk supply. Babies are often better at efficiently extracting milk than pumps, and frequently feeding can help maintain supply. It's important to rely on accurate and up-to-date information when it comes to breastfeeding. Consulting with healthcare professionals and seeking advice from reliable sources can help dispel these myths and other myths surrounding breastfeeding. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.